How to applying for an updated Social Security card. The best place to start is with your Social Security card. Once you have a Social Security card with your new name, it will be easier for you to prove your identity at the Driver's License Bureau. Then, once you have these critical identity documents, you can change bank records, get a job, rent an apartment, or apply for a mortgage. Step 1. Ask any questions you may have before you submit your application. Some of the most common questions include asking about the evidence documents you need to submit, how long it will take, or where you can submit the application. You can call the Social Security Administration at 1-800-772-1213. Step 2. Complete the application. Once you decide to adopt your spouse's name, you will also need to get a new Social Security card with your married name. This document will also smooth the way to getting your new driver's license. While you can complete the application online at https://www.socialsecurity.gov/forms/ss-5.pdf, you must print it out and submit it with your identity documents to get your new card. You cannot apply online. Complete the application by typing in the information online or print it out and fill it in either black or blue ink. Step 3. Submit the completed application. Your application and a certified copy of your marriage certificate can be submitted either in person or by mail to your local Social Security office. Your original documents will be returned to you with your new card. There is no charge to request a corrected or replacement Social Security card. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.